Here we have the official promo of the Galaxy S26 Ultra in its signature color. Samsung has officially started building hype for the upcoming Unpacked event, and with February now underway, the launch month of the Galaxy S26 series, trusted leaker Evan Blass has revealed the first official promotional image of the Galaxy S26 Ultra in its signature shade. Well-known insider Evan Blass shared the official promo render showcasing the Galaxy S26 Ultra in its stunning Ultraviolet, also known as Cobalt Violet, a color clearly positioned as Samsung's hero finish for this generation. Just like the previously leaked CAD-based renders, this official image confirms a bold and more pronounced camera bump on the rear. While the sensor alignment remains familiar, Samsung has now grouped 3 major camera rings inside a distinct island layout. The camera bump itself looks carefully engineered and noticeably thicker, which explains Samsung's decision to split it into a dual-layer structure. This layered approach helps maintain a premium feel while ensuring better durability for daily use. The leaked image also gives us a clear look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra's corners, which appear slightly more rounded compared to the S25 Ultra. Button placement remains consistent, with the volume rocker and side key positioned similarly to previous flagship models. Interestingly, the S Pen is also visible alongside the device, confirming that Samsung's iconic stylus is still part of the lineup in 2026, although its long-term future remains uncertain. The S Pen slot placement has already sparked debate among fans. This is only the beginning of the official leaks, and things are expected to heat up rapidly in the coming days. Samsung is rumored to unveil the Galaxy S26 series on February 25th in San Francisco, with sales possibly starting as early as March 11th. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series is set to arrive next month, and along with that, we have a new exclusive to share. This time, we're bringing you official Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra renders along with its key specifications. The device is shown here in 2 finishes, Cobalt Violet and Black. The phone's overall design isn't unexpected at this stage, since CAD-based visuals were previously shared. Still, these images give a clearer look at the final model and show the device from different angles. The S Pen is clearly visible in these shots as well. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a flat display with a centered camera cutout at the top. The bezels around the screen are thin and evenly sized. The power and volume buttons are placed on the right side, and they are the only physical controls on the handset. On the back, there's a triple camera setup in the upper left area. The 3 lenses are aligned vertically and sit on a raised camera island, with an LED flash positioned next to them. The camera module stands out from the back, and the lenses add extra depth. This means the phone will likely wobble when placed on a flat surface, although using a protective case can help reduce this effect. The edges of the device are rounded, while the frame remains flat all the way around. These aren't the only colors that will be available, but they're the only ones currently shown in images. Based on earlier leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in black, white, silver shadow, sky blue, cobalt violet, and pink gold. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.